Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange. Microsoft Excel is waiting for another application to complete an OLE action. How to rectify this kind of error? So for that, we'll go straight to open Excel. And after opening Excel, go to File and go to More option. Here More and go to Option. Go to Advanced section and go to General tab. Here ignore other application to use dynamic data exchange. Click on that and press OK. If you are facing the same issue still, you go to again there, go to File, More, Option, go to Add-on, check whether Analysis Tool Pack is enabled or not. Here you click and click Go. All the boxes should be unchecked. Okay, then press OK and check whether the problem is occurring or not again. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Thank you. If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe please. Thanks for watching.